SAL Rescue System, Office and Apartment Buildings. One of many recurring threats is the outbreak of fire and the associated dangers for people who are trapped by the flames. If they can no longer use blocked emergency exits because of smoke and fire, they must be rescued from the upper floors. SAL is a patented rope-lowering system with which people can rescue themselves from danger zones in buildings. Taking responsibility for the safety of dependent people and for oneself is a heavy burden. There is always doubt as to whether or not everything possible has really been done, so that in a catastrophe one can act quickly and effectively. For a catastrophic situation such as that, we have developed our SAL self-rescue system. Have you also given thought to how you would exit your apartment in the event of a fire, if the staircase is impassable due to smoke and fire?